Now that we can hopefully add products to the cart, let's actually display some information about what is in the cart. Later we will add a detailed overview of the cart, but for now, let's add a summary to the top of the page. Specifically, I want to add the number of items in the cart, as well as the cart total. As for the cart total, we need to calculate this based on the items that are in the cart, more specifically their prices and quantities. This is an ideal candidate for a computed property, so that's what we'll do. So within the Vue instance, it's time to add a computed object. And in here, I'll add a cart total computed property. This computed property is responsible for calculating the price we need to pay for the products that we added to the cart. So I'll begin by declaring the total and initialize it to 0. Then I'm going to loop through the items within the cart. So this.cart.items, referring to the cart data property, which contains an items property. And on here I can call the forEach method, which takes a function as the first argument. And this function takes the item for the current iteration of the loop as its first argument. So in here I can increase the total by the current item's quantity. So item.quantity multiplied by the item.product.price. So basically we are saying multiply the quantity that we added to the cart for this product by the price of the product. And now we just need to return this total number. And that should be all. So let's go into our template here. And let's find the markup where we want to display this cart information. So as you can see, I have a placeholder here for the number of items in cart. Let's replace this with string interpolation. Here we can simply say cart.items, which is an array, so we can take the length of this array, .length. And as for the cart total, let's also replace this with string interpolation. And here we can use the computed property that we just added, which was named cart total. So it matches this computed property right here. And we also want to display it as a currency, so I'll use the currency filter that we added a few lectures ago. Now just one more thing. Notice how it says items right here. Now this is great for 0 or more than 1 items, but if we have 1 item in the cart, we just want to display the singular version of the word. So I will just add some conditional logic right here, and I will make use of the template HTML5 element. So let me go ahead and add a template element. Here I can use the vue.if directive. And if there's only 1 item in stock, so if the length of the items array is 1, then I'll add the contents of this element, which contains the text item. So remember that the template element is not added itself to the DOM. And now I'll add another template element here with the velse directive. So if the first template's vif directive doesn't contain a truthy expression, then the contents of this element will be added. So here I can just write items in plural. Alright, let's open up our browser and see if it works. So now we see 0 items in cart totaling $0. And let's try to add something to the cart. And it updates appropriately. So actually the computed property detected that the cart data property changed. So it updated its value. Alright, let's try to add some more. And as we can see, the cart information updates appropriately.